Hey guys, welcome to Weeby Autos. We have a fantastic car here today. It's a 1970 Z28 Camaro. This car has got an LT1 in it. It's also a ground-up restoration. You can literally eat a turkey dinner off the bottom of this car. It's fantastic. Numbers matching, everything correct. It was frame-off restored by Alvarez Auto Center. They're very well known in the area. Also has add-on AC. It's just like brand new. Nice as it gets. Wow, really healthy. This car is just as nice as it gets. Well, thanks for checking us out today. My name is Michael from Weeby Autos. Our number is 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot and have a great day.